Since we've seen you.
My name is Joanne and this is Philip. Together we are
JoLip.
Oh my God.
Hello. Long time, guys. Sorry. It's all Joanne's fault.
No.
She made the weather really bad. She made it snow. She made it cold. And that wasn't me. So hopefully you guys are good. Hopefully everybody's good. Happy and healthy New Year, even though it's almost 2022 already. So we missed you guys. Hopefully you missed us, and by showing a thumbs up, 2 thumbs up.
Don't forget to subscribe.
Subscribe, thumbs up. I like you too. So some of the footage today, indoor dining. Happy Valentine's Day, boys and girls. Happy Valentine's Day. Indoor dining in New York City is huge. You don't have to freeze your ass off. Nice and warm in there. Pretty much had the whole restaurant to ourselves. A little sushi, 21st Street, 7th Avenue, Momoya. Delicious.
Highly
people there.
recommend.
Amazing. Lovely. Fantastic. Oh, I mean, the food is always good, but I think since we haven't been indoor dining in months, it was even better. So amazing. Plus a little shopping around the city a little bit. Marshall's, thank you for the bathroom. Had to pee. So without further ado, thumbs up, 2 thumbs up, please. Thank you. Peace and love, guys. Just be good.
Enjoy this video.
Can we please have, baby, do you want the tuna and avocado?
Yeah.
Tuna and avocado? Hi. How you doing? You're handsome. Yeah, I'm doing it. I don't need you. I'm filming myself. Joanne's like, how come I'm not in it? Because I'm so sexy. Who's that? Hi, Joanne.
You look so formal and I'm like, like I'm going to the gym.
I'm wearing a sweater. She's wearing a sweatshirt. What's the difference?
What are you pressing?
I wanted to press the screen to make it darker.
Because you have big hands, big fingers.
We ordered McDonald's 2 all-beef patties, special sauce, lettuce, cheese, pickles, onions on a sesame seed bun, and we supersized. What do you got, babe?
Yellowtail jalapeno.
Put it in your mouth.
I'm gonna pretend that I know how to use chopsticks. Let's see. Ah. Oh my God. Next up, what do we have here?
That's the tuna avocado with salad on top.
It's good.
Look at the seriously, guys. Look at the color of the tuna. I love Japanese dressing.
Yeah, this sauce is like really awesome.
So, Joanne's treating. So we ordered everything on the menu. They brought over the menu. What can we get? So we said everything except for shellfish.
Maybe can you tell which one is which?
No idea. I have no idea. But I think we forgot to get the eel.
I don't know. Maybe one of them is eel.
I don't think so.
Awesome. Go ahead. Try it.
Fill my mouth. And Joanne's dancing. Go Joe. Go Joe. Go Joe. I just burped in my mask and it stinks. I just burped the salad. I had dressing. Oh, they tasted good now. It smells my nose. Look, they're getting deliveries. They can't even bring the trucks.
Oh.
Wow, look at this. Everything's in the street.
Is it still snowing or is it just?
Could be. It could be
yeah,
snow.
it
It could be
is.
blowing from the
No,
the trees. Not sure.
Well, I think it's supposed to have.
Could be snow,
like
little flurries,
snow.
right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Like, you see in the corner.
Yeah, but I don't know if that's blowing off trees or people or other cars.
No, it's snowing.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's still snowing.
even if it's not a declared blizzard, you'll get blizzard-like conditions and ground blizzards from just the snow blowing off the cars and off the grassy mountain places.
The mayor put a travel restriction in effect for today, asking anybody who's not an essential.
So you want to build a snowman? Please, I don't want to fall down. So you want to build a snowman? This is 8th Avenue. How's 8th Avenue looking? Pretty empty. How's it looking down there? Pretty empty. Whew. But of course, this idiot has to go out. Oh, look at this, man. So you want to build a snowman? And look what I'm wearing. Yeah, rocking the shell tops, baby. Yeah, snow sneakers at its best. That's how we do it. NYC. Ooh, ice is falling, trees are falling. Woo! So you want to build a snowman? Oh, man. Let it snow, let it snow, let it snow. Let's see if I can get in the picture. Oh, wait, sorry about that. Can I get in this one? Am I in it? I don't know. All right, that's the snow. Hi, Ola. This is soft snow right here. That's ice over by the walkway. This is slippery. Yeah. So you want to build a snowman? You want to build a snowman? Now that's a mountain of snow. Look at that shit. What? Damn. Honestly, this is going to be here until probably April. Damn. Honestly, part of me wants to go jump on in that sucker. I want to get in that baby.
Baby, do you want to build a snowman?
Snowman. Snowman. So hopefully you guys are good. Hopefully everybody's healthy. Families, friends, everybody. That's all that matters. So we're back. Philip, Joanne, JoLip. Peace and love. Thumbs up. Subscribe, subscribe, subscribe. Sorry, our bad, our bad.
My name is Joanne and this is Philip and together we're
JoLip.
Adventures.